Good afternoon. Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Your seat is 18A, on the left side. Please go straight and you'll find it, by the window.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Can I help you with your carry-on bag?
Yes, please. It's a little heavy.
Of course, I'll place it in the overhead compartment for you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Excuse me, can I keep my backpack under the seat in front of me?
No, it's fine. I would like to. Keep this bag with me. Great, thank you.
Is this your first flight?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
That's completely normal, don't worry. We'll take good care of you.
Thank you. That makes me feel better. About how long is the flight?
The flight will take approximately 3 hours and 45 minutes.
That's not too long.
We will be served food during the flight. Yes, we'll serve a meal along with tea, coffee, juice, and soft drinks.
That sounds nice. If you need anything during the flight, just press the call button above your seat. Okay, thank you. Have you fastened your seatbelt? No, I don't know how to.
No problem. Let me show you. Insert the metal tip into the buckle until you hear a click. To unfasten it, simply lift the buckle.
Oh, that's very easy.
Yes, it is.
Should I keep it fastened the whole time?
Please keep it fastened whenever you're seated, especially during takeoff, landing, or if we experience turbulence.
I understand.
Could you also place your phone in airplane mode?
Yes, I'll do it now.
Thank you very much. Please make sure your seat is upright and your tray table is folded away. All right, ma'am, you can now remove your seatbelt.
Can you tell me how?
Just lift the buckle. Would you like veg or non-veg?
Non-veg. This is tasty.
Ma'am, we are about to land. Please fasten your seatbelt. We have landed, now you have to go to immigration. It's the final thing, and you will be at your destination.
Good morning.
Good morning.
May I have your passport and boarding pass, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Please wait a moment while I check your documents.
Of course.
What is your destination today?
I'm traveling to UK.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm going there for a vacation.
How long will you stay in UK?
I will stay for 1 week.
Where will you be staying?
I'll be staying at the Grand Horizon Hotel.
Is this your first visit to UK?
Yes, it is.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
May I see it, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks fine.
Thank you.
Are you carrying more than 10,000 US dollars or its equivalent in cash?
No, I'm not.
Are you carrying any objects shown in this bore?
No, I am not.
Please place your right hand on the fingerprint scanner.
Like this?
Please place your right hand on the fingerprint scanner. Thank you. Now, please look at the camera for a photograph. Thank you. Your identity has been verified. Your passport is stamped. Now you can collect your baggage.